Sabayan mo naman kasi yun.
What do you think? Talk. Hi guys, we are in Port Batangas. Papunta ng Puerto Galera. Batangas Port, going to Puerto Galera.
We decided to go first. Wait for right side.
We can drag this
What?
here, no?
Okay, good morning guys. We are here in Puerto Galera to take vacation with my hubby and my family. So we are enjoying the day. Let's go. Bye bye. This is our room in Puerto Galera. Yes. Hello, Kuya. Saya.
You're walking from here to there, catching the no, from this side, yeah, this side.
We are in Fortilla. We are in the beach right now.
We together. Or we ask.
And with my hubby, say hello.
Hello.
Yeah. So we are enjoying here today. Today is Saturday morning. At
I don't want
what
to
time?
talk. I don't need to talk. I don't want to talking. Just.
Picture tayo, Mary!
You say the sun is not the same.
Say hello, Mary! Say hello, Gretchen! And Junel! Miguel! Say hello, Miguel!
Babe, I want to post the video, not this.
Okay.
We're just walking a bit and make a video to catch the. We're walking from that side.
Hands.
Waiting for you. I just wanna love you forever.
Away-away, nasa patibot eh.
Wanna love you
Okay, the first one you post in the Facebook, not the second one. Okay. Okay.
mag-assist ba sa amin?
Opo, ma'am.
Asan na ba sila yung mga kasama namin?
Ayun na po, ma'am. Yung bago pa lang po ng mata.
Patay-patay yung makina mo.
Nag-overflow po, ma'am.
Ah, nag-overflow? Yan na nga guys, after namin mag-snorkeling, eto, kumain na kami ng lunch ng aking buong pamilya. At ang sarap ng pagkain namin dahil boodle pike at halo-halo mga seafoods. At ayan, busy-busy ang lahat. At habang nagkakainan, nagpicture-picture pa. At si Mary mukhang sarap na sarap sa kanyang pagkain. So ayan, after namin kumain guys, bumalik kami doon sa dagat at nagpicture-picture si Habi. At habang nagpipicture siya, inikot kami ng driver ng bus